Hey everyone, welcome to Gimme Lemons. Today I wanted to introduce you to a delicious and comforting dish that Koreans typically eat for New Year's called tteokguk, made with these thin oval rice cakes available in most Korean supermarkets. This version uses shiitake mushrooms as an alternative base to the typical beef or anchovy broth for my vegan friends out there. Hello friends! So let's start by soaking the tteok or rice cakes in some cold water for at least half an hour. Now we'll take 1 onion and a head of garlic and simply halve them. I like to lightly scorch the onion in a dry pot over medium heat for a deeper roasted flavor. I don't mind keeping the skin on the onion, but you can remove it if you'd like a lighter colored broth. Once the onion is slightly scorched, add water to the pot along with some dashima or dried kelp, the garlic, the mushrooms, and bring everything to a boil. And I like to scrape the bottom of the pot to loosen the caramelized bits from the onion. As it heats up, skim off any scum that comes to the surface for a cleaner broth. As soon as it starts to boil, turn down the heat to low and let it steep for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. Meanwhile, you can prepare the garnishes. Take the shiitake mushrooms and slice them. Heat up some neutral oil on high and sauté them. When they're softened, add some minced garlic. Then add mirin, a sweet Japanese rice wine which I love cooking with. And cook off the alcohol for a minute. Add soy sauce. Reduce the heat to medium and continue to reduce the liquid and concentrate to flavor it. We'll also prepare some scallions, some kim or nori. Sesame oil is essential, as well as my mom's favorite add-in, ground sesame seeds, either pulsed in a food processor or in a mortar and pestle. Once the garnishes are prepared, the broth should be ready to strain through either a cheesecloth or just a fine mesh sieve, squeezing out all the flavors from the mushrooms. So we're going to season the broth with pepper and a light Korean soy sauce made for soups called gukganjang, and some salt. I'm also adding this homemade vegan fish sauce substitute, which you can find on my channel, or simply add more gukganjang or soy sauce. Taste and fine-tune the seasoning. When ready to serve, bring the broth to a boil and add the tteok. Give it a gentle stir to prevent clumping on the bottom. Boil them for about 2 to 3 minutes depending on your tteok, just until they're soft and malleable. They should remain nice and chewy, so don't overcook them. Then serve it up piping hot with all the condiments. This dish is pure comfort and warmth, a perfect winter meal that's simple but packed with umami. I hope you find this vegan version helpful and feel encouraged to try it. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and see you next time.